Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add 220 and 50 EMA indicators in MetaTrader 5. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. EMA indicators are useful because they help you read the market trend more clearly and see how price is reacting around important moving average levels. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Make sure your chart is loaded and you are on the trading pair, stock, or markets you want to analyze. Once the platform loads and you can see your main trading interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and you need to click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu with various tools and features available in MetaTrader 5. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Indicators. This option gives you access to all the technical analysis tools available in the platform. After clicking Indicators, you'll see another menu expand to the side, showing different categories of indicators. Look for and click on Trends. The Trends category contains all the indicators used for identifying market direction and momentum, which is exactly where you'll find the Moving Average tool. Now, click on Moving Average from the Trends submenu. This will open a settings window where you can configure your first EMA indicator. In this window, you'll see a field labeled Period. Change this value to 200. This sets up your first exponential moving average to track the 200-period trend, which is commonly used by traders to identify long-term market direction. Many traders use the 200 EMA to understand whether the overall market is bullish, bearish, or moving sideways. Next, locate the drop-down menu labeled Method and click on it. From the options that appear, click on Exponential. This changes your moving average from a simple moving average to an exponential one, which gives more weight to recent price action. This makes the EMA react faster to current market movement. Then, find the Apply To drop-down and click on Close. This ensures the indicator calculates based on closing prices, which is the standard setting most traders use. Before finalizing this first EMA, you can customize its appearance. You'll see a color picker under the Style section. Click on it and select a color that stands out on your chart. This helps you visually distinguish between different EMAs once all three are added. After selecting your color, click OK to apply the 200 EMA to your chart. Now, you'll need to repeat this entire process for the second EMA. Click Insert again, then Indicators, then Trends, and then Moving Average. This time, change the period to 20. Make sure the method is set to Exponential and Apply To is set to Close. The 20 EMA is often used to follow short-term price movement and can help you see quicker shifts in momentum. Just like before, you can also change the color of this indicator to differentiate it from the 200 EMA you just added. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. The final EMA. Repeat the process one more time. Go to Insert, Indicators, Trends, and Moving Average again. Change the period to 50. This time, verify that the method is exponential and Apply To is Close. The 50 EMA is commonly used to understand the medium-term trend, so it sits between the faster 20 EMA and the slower 200 EMA. Choose a different color for this third EMA, so you can easily tell all three indicators apart on your chart. Click OK to apply it. And that's it! You now have all three exponential moving averages, the 220 and 50 EMAs, displayed on your MetaTrader 5 chart, ready to help you analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. You can now compare price movement with these EMA lines to better understand trend direction, possible support, possible resistance, and momentum changes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.